In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT as a personal mentor to learn any skill. If you've ever wanted a simple, structured way to learn something new, ChatGPT can be a surprisingly helpful study partner. The key is knowing how to guide it properly so the advice you get is practical, clear, and suited to your level. Start by opening ChatGPT and deciding exactly what skill you want to learn. Try to be as specific as possible. Instead of saying you want to improve at something broad, choose a focused skill or topic. That makes it much easier to get useful guidance and a plan that actually feels manageable. Once you've chosen the skill, ask ChatGPT to act as your mentor for that subject. This is important because it sets the tone for the conversation. You want it to respond like a supportive teacher or coach, not just a search tool. You can ask for clear explanations, encouragement, and step by step guidance designed for someone who is just getting started. Next, request a beginner friendly learning roadmap. This gives you structure and helps break the skill into smaller stages. A roadmap is useful because learning can feel overwhelming when you don't know what to do first. With a solid path in front of you, you can focus on one stage at a time instead of trying to figure everything out on your own. After that, ask for daily or weekly practice tasks. This turns learning into action. Small, consistent exercises are usually much more effective than cramming everything at once. If your schedule is busy, weekly tasks may be easier to maintain. If you prefer steady progress, daily practice can help build momentum. As you study, use ChatGPT to summarize difficult lessons. This is especially helpful when something feels too technical, too long, or hard to remember. You can ask for simpler explanations, shorter summaries, or even a version written for complete beginners. That can save time and reduce frustration. You should also ask it to quiz you so you can test your knowledge. Quizzes help you check what you actually understand, not just what looks familiar. They're a great way to spot weak areas before moving on. To go deeper, ask for resources, examples, and feedback. Resources can point you toward extra learning material, examples can make abstract ideas easier to grasp, and feedback can help you improve your work and correct mistakes early. Finally, follow the plan consistently and adjust it as you improve. Learning works best when you stay flexible. As your confidence grows, you can ask for harder tasks, deeper explanations, or more advanced challenges. If you use ChatGPT this way, it can become a practical and motivating tool for long term learning.